Hi mga kaibigan, may follow up na kayo? I hope mayroon kasi malaking tulong sa buhay natin po itong application na punong-puno ng Catholic content. Matagpuan mo from prayers to reflections to music to guided meditation. Napakaganda to almusalita. Now we are having almusalita on follow up. Personal experience ho, nung ako'y na-diagnose with cancer, the first thing na naisip is hanaping paanong i-digest ko itong balita ng cancer. And on follow up, there is a 30 days guided retreat. I did that for 30 days from the day of my diagnosis. And for the next 30 days, I did regularly the meditation of Father Gallagher, the spiritual exercise of Saint Ignatius, and it was an incredible help. I'm sure makakatulong din sa iyo ang content ng follow up. Kaya, huwag patagalin mo pa kung hindi mo na i-download, download mo na. And they have specialized for Filipinos at doon ding matagpuan ang ating araw-araw na almusalita. So mga kaibigan, all the best. Have a beautiful, puno ng pag-asa, taon ng Hubileo, blessed 2025.